This question is to describe a wildlife research team's methodology for estimating water volume in a mountain stream over a 24-hour period. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Math Tutor 8285. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Copyright all rights reserved. Thank you so much. A wildlife research team measured the flow rate of water in liters per minute in a mountain stream at different times of the day, as shown below. Use the trapezoid rule with 6 subintervals to estimate the total volume of water in liters that flowed past the measuring station during this 24-hour period. Show your steps clearly. First step, we identify the subinterval widths. From midnight to 4 a.m. is 4 hours, which is 240 minutes. From 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. is 3 hours, which is 180 minutes. From 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. is 4 hours, which is 240 minutes. From 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. is 4 hours, which is again 240 minutes. From 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. is 5 hours, which is 300 minutes. From 8 p.m. to midnight is 4 hours, which is 240 minutes. Then, next step, we apply the trapezoid rule for each interval. For the first interval, multiply 240 minutes by the average of 12 and 9, giving 2,520. For the second interval, multiply 180 minutes by the average of 9 and 15, giving 2,160. For the third interval, multiply 240 minutes by the average of 15 and 20, giving 4,200. For the fourth interval, multiply 240 minutes by the average of 20 and 18, giving 4,560. For the fifth interval, multiply 300 minutes by the average of 18 and 10, giving 4,200. For the sixth interval, multiply 240 minutes by the average of 10 and 12, giving 2,640. After that, next step, we add them up. Now, add all 6 results. 2,520 plus 2,160 plus 4,200 plus 4,560 plus 4,200 plus 2,640. The total is 20,280. So the estimated total volume of water is 20,280 liters. Common student mistakes. Forgetting to convert hours into minutes. Averaging the wrong pair of flow rates. Leaving out one trapezoid when summing. When using the trapezoid rule, always double-check that all time intervals are expressed in the same unit before multiplying by the rates. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Copyright all rights reserved. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel Math Tutor 8285 and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Your subscription fuels the passion. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.